I'm here at Creative Structures Conservatories, where they're custom making the conservatory for our renovation job. I'm here with Rob Sunan.
How are you? Good.
Just tell us very quickly about our particular job.
Well, here we have a solid mahogany wood and glass structure where we basically have taken and drawn everything on CAD, and here we have a quick model of exactly how the system goes together. This piece would be a sill.
Oh, and this is this part here, the bottom of the structure, right?
Right. We have a post that drops into that sill, then our headpiece, and this piece runs around the entire eave of the structure.
Right.
A 10-in block drops in like this. The rafter.
Oh, and then this ridge piece, I guess, would probably...
Exactly.
With that? I love the fact that everything sort of is designed to fit into each other, so you don't see any screws or bolts or anything like that.
That's the beauty of the mortise and tenon system. Yep.
Well, let's have a look at how you actually cut all this stuff and put it together.
Great. Bart, this is the joiner. This is where we take the raw wood and surface all four sides.
Oh, okay, so you take all the bumps out and basically make it smooth, huh?
Right, square all the sides off.
Once the raw wood is surfaced, it is cut to length and ready for the next step.
Bart, this is the area that we do the mortising for the sills and the head jambs.
Oh, okay.
These templates are laid out where the posts will end up sitting.
All right, and these are actually adjustable.
Right.
A router is used to cut the mortise to a depth of about 5/8 of an inch.
This is where we put the tenons on the posts.
Yep.
You remember this piece goes into the mortise.
Yep. So this template is actually the reverse template of what we just looked at with the mortises, right?
Exactly. This tenon has to fit perfectly in that mortise, so they are exact opposites. This is the metal shop. This is where we bend the aluminum for the roof system.
Okay.
And this is a metal bending brake. This is the piece that goes up on the roof around the eave. This edge would end up sticking down to the glass for a watertight seal. And water will run off and down through here, comes off of this edge and out over the walls.
Crown molding for the eaves is custom made at the factory using a special 4-head molder.
This is the shop where we make our skylights, operable windows and doors.
Right.
And Fran has an operable roof vent that he's putting together.
So they're really actually roof vents, not skylights, because you've got glass. The whole roof is actually glass, isn't it?
That's right.
So Rob, once we've made all the components to our conservatory, you bring them all together here on this assembly platform to make sure it all fits together, right?
Right. Whenever we have a real complex roof situation like this, we would end up pre-assembling the parts to make sure we don't have any glitches that occur on the job site.
All right. Well, thank you very much for the tour, Rob. It's been great.
Sure. Thanks.